Echo. Breaking news! I have been replaced by an AI! Yes, right, this is an AI. No longer there will be a real lion. Yes, now there will be an artificially created lion. Okay, let's go over to Mr. Cat if we can, shall we? Yes, yes? Nope, not doing it. What do you mean you're not gonna do it, Mr. Cat? Forget it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you how strong I am. I am a big boy lion, okay? Yeah, let's just say I got so wet I had to be dried out for a few hours. With a hairdryer that wasn't even functioning / working properly. That's it for today. See you next time. Goodbye. I meant to say goodbye.
Give
some news.
This
is Gibson!